We're celebrating dear old dad in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. Hey everybody, I'm Mike Brooks along with a good friend Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. I love the name of this. I don't know what it means. Baba Ganoush?
Baba Ganoush, so spoiled daddy or pampered papa, something along those lines. So it's so delicious that you're spoiling your dad by making this for him.
Let's do it. Bring it on.
All right, so it starts very simply with just an eggplant that is, you can do this in the oven, just roast it, or we actually started this one. Ooh, look at those nice grill marks because it is a smoked eggplant dip. Could be a roasted or smoked eggplant dip. So this is actually going to go into the oven just like that. We're going to turn that off. And it's going to go right into the oven, and it's going to get nice and soft like these. And when I say nice and soft, I really do mean that. Yeah,
it really shrinks too.
It shrinks a lot, and so we already have some that we roasted earlier, and so all of that roasted eggplant flesh is just going to go right into the bowl. And that's going to get mixed with a little bit of tahini, parsley, lemon juice, garlic, cumin, and so this might remind you of another dip, another Lebanese type dip, which is hummus. So you're really just subbing the chickpeas for the roasted or smoked eggplant, okay? And so this is just going to get mashed really nicely with a fork. And you could do this in a food processor, but I hate to use something that not everybody has when a fork works just fine, and you might like the kind of more rustic or chunky quality.
Right.
And so what's going to go in here now is a good squeeze of lemon. And you know, this really can be to taste. It's not like you're getting any fat or calories from lemon, a little seed snuck in there. And then some tahini, which is a sesame seed paste, okay? And so we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of sesame seed paste for, let's just pretend we have the other half of garlic in there. Other half of eggplant. So a couple of tablespoons. It's going to go right in, gets mixed around very nicely. Garlic, you could use fresh garlic like we are. We could use roasted garlic. Okay, some fresh parsley, the lemon juice that we already have in there, and this just gets really nicely mixed around. It's a very creamy dip, and then you can serve that with some pita chips. Of course, that would be traditional, but cucumber, carrots, but today we are using some bell pepper scoops. Okay. So I don't know if you can see that very well.
Yeah, we can. That looks. You could have a child do this too. The kids could help. Yeah.
Absolutely. Once these are cool enough to handle, you could totally do that. And then we're just going to serve that with some bell pepper scoops. Okay.
Can you scoop one for me?
Absolutely, I will. There we go. You can be the spoiled papa today.
That's really good.
Good. Yeah, so adjust your seasonings, a little touch of salt, a little touch of pepper, a little more lemon juice. Make it your own.
Love it. All right, in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with our good friend Chef Valerie. Once again, this recipe is on our website, kgrh.com. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.